Experiencing a black screen or no audio on your Mahindra XUV 700's infotainment system? You're not alone. These common issues often stem from software glitches or hardware faults. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This often clears temporary data and resolves minor software crashes. If that doesn't work and you're experiencing no audio specifically, check your audio settings and equalizer to make sure they are correctly configured. Ensure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections are stable for streaming. For a more persistent black screen, a faulty HDMI module could be the culprit, especially in 2021-2023 models. Check if your vehicle is part of the ongoing recall in India. If problems continue after these steps, proceed to the next section on resets. If a soft reset doesn't fix the XUV 700 infotainment issues, you can attempt a factory reset through the settings menu, but remember, this will erase your saved settings. Back up your data if possible. In severe cases of black screen or no audio, disconnecting the car battery for 5 minutes, a hard reset might help, but exercise caution. If these resets fail, the problem likely requires professional attention. Dealerships can diagnose hardware failures like faulty capacitors or wiring issues. Over-the-air OTA updates from Mahindra are also crucial for fixing known software bugs. Ensure your system is up to date. If your XUV 700 is still under warranty or part of the recall for faulty HDMI modules, contact Mahindra Customer Care or an authorized dealer for assistance. Keep an eye on user forums for DIY solutions, but always prioritize official channels to avoid voiding your warranty.